Oh, there's a turtle right there. I probably can't get it on video. Oh my god, do you see the monkey? Do you see the monkey? Right there, right next to us. Look, he's right there on the tree behind us.
No, wait, can we turn around?
Yeah. He was like right next to your head. Yeah, I was completely distracted when I saw him. What's up? I'm able to carry both, but it looks kind of giant. Look, do you see the monkey?
Yeah.
Right there in the tree.
Yeah.
Right next to the water. Oh shoot, my bad. Oh my god, the footage is gonna be so funny just looking at this. Oh shoot, I probably shouldn't hold this up to him.
Oh my god, he's chewing. He's chewing.
I'm gonna back up a bit. Hey bud.
Oh.
Oh, we should back up now. We should go now.
Oh.
Remember, there's a little kayak.
Yeah.
You might want to paddle.
Alright, let's get out of here. Here, you paddle out of here. I got him on. Oh man. That's so awesome. Whoa, he's gonna